Hello everyone, welcome or welcome back to Pabbly Chatflow. In today's video, we are going to learn how to create WhatsApp chatbot for your college administration consulting business. Manually managing all the deadlines and submitting documents can be a very time-consuming process. So with the help of Pabbly Chatflow, we are going to create a WhatsApp chatbot which will automate this whole process on our behalf. Now, if you want to learn how to create this amazing chatbot, then let me take you to my screen. This is the WhatsApp chatbot that I've created for college admission consulting business with the help of Pabbly Chatflow. And before we begin the procedure of creating this chatbot, let me show you how it works in a real-time example. And for that, let me take you to my WhatsApp screen. Here we have arrived on my WhatsApp screen, and to activate the chatbot, I'm going to send a general hi. And immediately our chatbot responds us with, "Welcome to Elite College Admissions Help. We'll guide you through applications, deadlines and document submission. Choose what you need help with." So I'm going to select the first option that says application deadline, and it responds us with top application deadlines such as Harvard, Stanford and MIT. So I'm going to book a consultation next, and our chatbot responds us with, "Please share your full name." So here I'm going to respond with demo user, and our chatbot responds us with, "Please select your preferred date." So here I'm going to respond with my preferred date like this. And it says we have received consultation for this given name and this given date. We will confirm your slot shortly. Lastly, I'm going to upload documents. And it says you can upload resume, SOP draft essays or transcripts. So here I'm going to upload my document like this. And our chatbot responds us with, "Thanks, we have received your documents. Our team will review and respond within 24 hours. So this is the WhatsApp chatbot that we have created for college admission consulting business with the help of Pabbly Chatflow. And if you want to create the same, you have to visit Pabbly Chatflow's website, and for that, open a new browser tab. In a new tab, enter the URL pabbly.com/chatflow, and it will take you to the main landing page of Pabbly Chatflow. If you are an existing user, click on sign in. However, if you are a new user, click on sign up for free. As I'm already an existing user, I will click on sign in, and it will show me all the apps provided by Pabbly Chatflow. Here we have to access Pabbly Chatflow. So click on access now, and it will take you to the Pabbly Chatflow dashboard. On the left side of the screen, you will see all the features provided by Pabbly Chatflow. We will go through all the features one by one. First, we have dashboard, which gives us an overview of chatbot's performance, recent activities and stats. Next we have is inbox. Here we can manage and reply to all the incoming customer conversations. Next up we have contacts. It stores all the details of users who have interacted with your chatbot. From here you can view and manage them. Then we have team queues. It helps us in assigning conversations to different team members for better handling and faster responses. Next up we have template. It is a pre-built template which you can use directly or customize accordingly to your needs. It saves a lot of time. Next up we have broadcast. It allows you to send bulk message or announcement to multiple users at once. Then we have flows, where you can create and manage your chatbot conversations and create chat flows. Then we have AI Assistant, a feature to integrate AI-based smart responses, making your chatbot more interactive and intelligent. Then we have settings. It manages your account preferences, chatbot settings, integrations and notification options. From Get Help, you can access support, documentation, FAQs or options to connect Pabbly customer service if you need any assistance. You can add your WhatsApp number on Pabbly Chatflow from here. Click on Add WhatsApp Number. Then you will get two options, WhatsApp Connect Beta and Manual Token Connect. Click on Manual Token Connect, and this will ask for Meta Access Token. You have to generate Meta Access Token from Facebook Meta for Developers. Once you generate your access token, you can update it here. Here you can see all the credits allotted, credits consumed, credits remaining, and the amount of numbers you have added here. To know more about how to add WhatsApp number, you can watch this video here. Now let's begin the process of creating Chatflow. For that, go to Flow section and then click on Flows. You will reach at Flow Builder page. Here you can see total number of flows, your active flows and inactive flows. To create a new flow, click on Add Flow. A new flow has been created, so when we create a new flow, it is named as Untitled, so I'm going to rename it as WhatsApp Chatbot for College Admission Consulting. On the screen, there is a Flow Start feature under which we have an option to enter keywords. Here we can add some general keywords which can activate the chatbot. However, we also have an option to enter regex, and regex can activate the chatbot with any given keyword. To use regex, we have to use a specific format, which is this. You can also enable toggle for case-sensitive regex, and from here you can choose any template to send to the user. Now we are going to curate our first message with the help of text button, and here I am going to add a welcome message. Like this, and it will appear like this to the user. Here with the help of add button option, I am going to add some quick reply options like this, and now we have to curate a response for each quick reply option. So let's begin with application deadline, and for this I'm going to access the text button, and here I'm going to add all the application deadlines. Like this, and it will appear like this to the user. Next, I'm going to curate a response for book consultation, and for this you have to access the action type notes and then click on ask question to get a question box. Here we are going to take details to book a consultation, for example, full name. Link it to the corresponding quick reply option, and in the contact custom field I'm going to select name, and as format I'm going to select text. Provide multiple number of attempts if you want, and I'm going to leave the validation message empty. Then access another question box, and here I'm going to ask for preferred date and time like this, and in the contact custom field I'm going to select date, and as format I'm going to select date and link it to the question box, and lastly I'm going to create a confirmation message of the consultation, and here I'm going to add like this, and it will appear like this to the user. Here we have added $date and $name because these two are our contact custom fields, and $sign will replace them with the actual name and date of the user. Now we are going to curate a response for upload documents, and for this I'm going to access the action type notes, and then I'm going to click on ask media to get a media question box, and here I'm going to ask to upload documents like this, and in the media type I'm going to select any, or document you can select any media type you want to receive, and in number of attempts I'm going to provide 5, and I'm going to leave the validation message empty. Then I'm going to curate a confirmation message after receiving the document like this, and it will appear like this to the user. So this is the WhatsApp chatbot that we have created for college admission consulting business with the help of Pabbly Chatflow. If you want to create the same, you can follow this procedure as I've shown in this video, and once you've created your flow, you can save it from here, and once the flow is updated successfully, you're good to go. Thanks for watching. Not only this chatbot, you can create multiple such chatbots with the help of Pabbly Chatflow. Now, if you have any doubts, you can email us at support@pabbly.com. If you have any queries, you can write them on forum.pabbly.com. And if you have any pricing related issues, you can visit our website given over here. So what are you waiting for? Sign up today and try it for free.